Have you ever wondered why some people seem to run multiple YouTube channels, pump out videos every single day, and never even show their face? Are they superhumans with 48 hours in a day? Or do they know a secret that most of us don't? Well, here's the truth. It's not magic, it's not cloning, it's YouTube automation. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how it really works, in the simplest way possible. So grab your curiosity, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly how people automate YouTube channels, and maybe even start one yourself. First things first, automation doesn't work without direction. You need a niche. Imagine walking into a grocery store with no shopping list. You'll end up with cookies, batteries, and shampoo, but no actual dinner. Same with YouTube. If your channel is about everything, it's really about nothing. So pick one topic. Fitness tips, tech gadgets, true crime stories, personal finance, even funny animal clips. Anything you can build around. Think of it like picking a theme park. Are you building Disneyland or Jurassic Park? Choose one and stick with it. Once you know your niche, you need words. Every great video starts with a script. Now, don't panic. You don't have to be Shakespeare. In fact, short, clear, and friendly scripts work best. And here's where tools like ChatGPT or other AI writers can give you a huge head start. You simply feed in your idea. Say, top 5 gadgets under $50. And boom, you get a solid first draft. Then you tweak it. Add your own personality, maybe a joke or two, and you've got gold. This is where most people's jaws drop. You don't actually need to appear on camera. You can use stock footage, animation, or AI-generated visuals. Websites and tools now let you grab royalty-free clips of literally everything, from a cup of coffee pouring to a rocket launching. Then you stitch them together with your script, add a voiceover, which can also be automated, and guess what? You've got a professional-looking video without even turning on your camera. Think of thumbnails as your video's dating profile picture. If it's boring, no one clicks. If it's too crazy, no one takes it seriously. The sweet spot is bold colors, clear text, and a face or object that grabs attention. Canva is the go-to tool here. It's drag and drop simple. And yes, even if you failed art class, you can make something click-worthy in minutes. Publishing isn't just about hitting upload. Timing matters. YouTube actually gives you data on when your viewers are most active. Use it. And if you don't want to stay up until 3 a.m. just to press a button, scheduling tools come to the rescue. You can set your videos to go live automatically at the best times, so you're asleep while your channel is awake and working for you. Automation is great, but don't forget the human side. People love knowing there's a real person behind the channel. Reply to comments, ask viewers questions, and create polls. You don't need to spend hours on it. Just a little time goes a long way. It's like watering a plant. The automation gives you the soil and sunlight, but your replies are the water that keeps the audience alive. Finally, numbers don't lie. Check your analytics. Which videos are people watching all the way through? Which ones make them leave after 20 seconds? That's your feedback. If your audience is binging your top 5 lists, but ignoring your long rants, well, the numbers are telling you something. Give them more of what they love, less of what they skip. Think of it as your channel's report card. It doesn't grade you, it guides you. Here's the kicker. Automation doesn't mean zero work. It means smarter work. You're replacing repetitive tasks, like editing or posting, with systems and tools, so you can focus on the fun parts: ideas, creativity, and growing your audience. Imagine building a little robot army to handle the boring chores. while you sit in the director's chair. That's the real power of YouTube automation. So let's recap. Pick a niche, write scripts, use visuals and voiceovers, design eye-catching thumbnails, schedule your posts, engage with your audience, and keep an eye on your numbers. Step by step, it's like building a machine that keeps running, while you focus on steering it. And remember, YouTube automation isn't about taking the human out of YouTube. It's about giving you more freedom to be human, to think, to create, to have fun, without getting lost in endless editing or sleepless upload nights. So the question is, are you ready to let the robots do the heavy lifting and finally build a channel that works for you instead of the other way around?